Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of indirect assault. Indirect assault. The crime of indirect assault is governed by Article 149 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 149, the crime of indirect assault is committed by any person who shall make use of force or intimidation upon any person coming to the aid of the authorities or their agents on occasion of the commission of direct assault. The following are the elements of the crime of indirect assault. First, direct assault is committed against an agent of person in authority. So may direct assault po na nangyayari laban sa agent of person in authority. Take note po, agent lang po ang kasama. Hindi po kasama ang person in authority. The person who is assaulted should not be a person in authority because the third person automatically becomes an agent of person in authority and the attack on him would constitute direct assault also. Under Article 152, kapag tinulungan mo ang person in authority, considered ka ng agent of person in authority. So pag siya ang sinaktan, direct assault po yun kasi agent siya at hindi indirect assault. Pero kung ang sinaktan mo ay yung tumulong sa agent of person in authority, dito na po papasok ang indirect assault. Second, the offended party comes to the aid of agent of a person in authority. Ang biktima ay tinulungan yung agent of person in authority. Actually, nasabi na natin to in relation to the first element. Third, offender uses force or intimidation upon the said offended party. Ang nagkasala ay gumamit ng dahas o pananakot laban sa biktima. Sino ang biktima? The victim in the crime of indirect assault is not the person in authority or his agent, but the person who comes in the aid of an agent of person in authority. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.